Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to change startup sound in Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. For changing the startup sound on Windows 11, you'll need this software called Sound Changer software, and any sound of your choice in waveform audio file format. You can get the download links below in the description. After downloading the files, open Sound Changer software, and if it prompts for the requirement of Windows feature, just click on Download to proceed. Now, clicking on Play will play the current startup sound. Now, to change the startup sound, click on Replace, and choose your audio file. And after choosing the file, your startup sound will be played.
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
And now, your startup sound has been successfully changed. In case you want the default startup sound, just click on Restore, and it will be restored. Now just click on Exit, and test the startup sound.
Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
And as you can see, the new startup sound is working. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.